Hello, welcome to Trade Talks. My name is Yogesh. Here's what to watch in the week ahead. US Trade Representative Robert Lighthizer and Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin will lead a group of officials from the Trump administration who are traveling to Beijing for negotiations with their Chinese counterparts. The meetings, due to start on Monday, will occur 2 weeks after Chinese officials visited Washington for a round of talks as the world's two largest economies seeks to hash out differences over trade, tariffs, and China's economic policies. US President Donald Trump and Chinese President Xi Jinping reached a 90-day truce which expires on 1st March. If the deadline passes without a deal, Mr. Trump has said he could follow through on his threat to increase tariff on Chinese goods. Mr. Trump and congressional lawmakers have until Friday to agree on a budget deal to avert another partial shutdown of the federal government. The government closed for a record 35 days from late December to late January, when Mr. Trump signed a 3-week spending bill that temporarily reopened agencies. However, another shutdown looms this week as Republicans and Democrats try to resolve differences over immigration and a $5.2 billion proposal to extend a wall along the US-Mexico border. Mr. Trump has said he may declare a national emergency to build the wall if a deal with Democrats don't materialize. A spate of closely followed companies will report quarterly financial results during this week. Earnings from chip maker Nvidia, which warned last month that fourth quarter revenue would be lower than forecast, could have implications for the broader technology sector. Jet makers Bombardier and Airbus and farm equipment maker Deere & Company will be the latest industrial giants to report earnings amid global tension. Other companies scheduled to report earnings are Cisco, AIG, Credit Suisse, Nissan and Michelin. The earnings lineup also includes hotel groups Hyatt and Hilton, food and beverage giants Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Kraft Heinz and Nestle, athletic apparel maker Under Armour and video game developer Activision Blizzard. Investors will get a look at new inflation data at a time when Federal Reserve officials have urged patience as they consider whether to continue raising interest rates. Key US economic data reports include consumer prices on Wednesday, producer prices and December retail sales on Thursday, and industrial production on Friday. The retail sales report was delayed by the government shutdown. And Wall Street will also hear from several Fed officials, including Cleveland Fed President Loretta Mester and Kansas City Fed President Esther George, who are scheduled to speak at events. In the UK, GDP and industrial production data will come Monday, followed by retail sales on Friday. Thank you so much for watching this video. To keep yourself updated about the latest happenings in the world of financial market, subscribe to our channel. To know more about the top trading strategies, register for our weekly seminars on www.century.ae. You have a great week ahead.